Markets have already priced in the value of artificial intelligence. AI can transform a wide range of industries from healthcare and finance to transport and logistics. Investors are gathering in hordes to take advantage of this new revolutionary era. For investors, the far reaching potential of artificial intelligence has plenty of upside to tap into through strategic investments. In this video, I'm going to show you the top key players on Wall Street in terms of artificial intelligence. The first name shouldn't be something new for you. It is a good old Microsoft. Microsoft is still placed very nicely as a niche generative AI player because of its heavy investment in OpenAI. Even Morgan Stanley has recently said that the Microsoft is a top pick as much as 22% upside potential from current levels. Generative AI really looks to significantly expand the scope of business processes, and Microsoft is in a great position to monetize that expansion, which accompanied with a still reasonable valuation. Then comes, as expected, Nvidia. Nvidia's growth is stellar, and as we all know, that Nvidia makes the world's highest performing microchips, and because of this, it's currently likely that the company will power the generative AI platform of tomorrow and beyond. Now, Amazon and Oracle both rely heavily on Nvidia chips, so they're also banking on Nvidia's success. That is why, again, there is a huge upside to its share price in the future. But again, this is not an investment advice. Third player is Unity Software. As you might know, Unity Software is all about real-time 3D stuff, and the Unity runtime powers the most real-time applications in the world with billions of downloads on billions of devices every month in well over 100 countries. So Unity is the predominant way that content created with AI tools will come alive for consumers and users, since the output of any Gen AI creation tool made available in the Unity reader get delivered by the Unity runtime. Unity has been working on a new technology called as Barracuda, and it's been 5 years they are working on it. What it will mean with Barracuda is that when designers can build game loops that rely on inference on devices from mobile to console to web and PC, what happens when that AI capability is fast, efficient, and scalable? That is why Unity software has such an upside. Last but not least comes Broadcom. Broadcom is famous for its AI ops, which combines end-to-end observability and advanced algorithm, AI and machine learning with automation to help IT operations solve complex IT issues. Broadcom doesn't produce any AI chips though, but it specializes in designing chips that facilitate communication between multiple AI chips using networking technology. And they also have huge upside. And if you look at the share price of all these four, Broadcom's share price have the highest upside in the last 6 months. And then comes the Nvidia. I hope that you liked it. Again, this video doesn't mean that you should start buying these shares. This is not an investment advice. So this is just to show you how the market valuation for AI oriented companies are growing leaps and bounds. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you very much.